Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel asurion phone insurance. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you only one thing. If you have purchased your Amazon, then you can contact with Amazon customer support and you can cancel your you can select insurance directly by contacting customer support of Amazon. Okay, if you are using Google FI, then you need to visit on the FI website and you can cancel your coverage only on Google FI. Okay, and where the basic thing is like where you have purchased your insurance. Okay, you need to contact with their carrier. Okay, so you can see over here there is an option like wireless, common and all. So you can see if you have purchased directly from asurion, then you can contact their customer support and you can cancel your insurance. So basically you can cancel your insurance by directly calling the carrier provider. Okay, and you can contact wireless carrier provider, that is Verizon, AT&T and T-Mobile directly via their app, website or any kind of customer support like chat support also you can use, and you can contact them and you can cancel your insurance. Okay, this is the only option. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.